It's going 4, 5.
Okay, so of course the tracker. This is what we're covering today. Keep your tracker stuff. This is not any kind of homework, so you don't have to write it down today. So I'm just telling you, this is what we're going. Folder organization. We're going to finish that intro writing, that me as a learner stuff. You will turn that in eventually. And I'm going to cover how I do discussion questions or journal questions. Also, up here, this is the important stuff. This is the objective. This is what I need you to learn. This is what we all need to work on. The standard is History 2F. And so that's what we're going to be working on. Today is basic classroom organization. So everybody should have a binder. I don't necessarily like spiral notebooks. I like loose paper and I like 3-ring binders. In that binder, you should have 5 tabs. If you don't have tabs, I have some. They're recycled, but I've got some. Those tabs are standards, questions, vocab, notes, and assignments. You don't have to make those right now. You'll have time at the end. Yeah.
Oh, well, do those have to go in like in order as they are?
Yeah, I prefer them in that order. Standards, questions, vocab, notes, and assignments. Yeah.
Do you have a Sharpie?
Yeah, I have a Sharpie. Again, you're not doing that right now. I just want you to know that that's how it should be set up. You'll have time in a second.
Yes.
Okay, now, I didn't do this with all of my classes. I did it with some classes. Yesterday, you should have set up folders. You definitely should have set up an advisement folder. I asked some classes to set up a folder on the computer in My Documents for every class. So if you haven't done that, do that today. This is social studies. In your social studies folder, I want 3 more folders. One folder will be standards and questions. So we're combining it. One folder will be vocab and notes. And the other one will be assignments. Okay, so when you get on the computer today, I want you to make sure you get that set up. Understand? Okay. This, I'm probably not going to ask you to write. I'm going to provide it on the computer so you can copy it, paste it in a document, and you will save it where?
Standards and questions.
Standards and questions. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Discussion questions. At this point, I'm not looking for perfect writing, for stylized writing. This should be kind of note format. I want your ideas. So if I ever have questions up here, I want you to start in your notebook by summarizing the question. You don't have to completely recycle at this point. This is for note-taking, purpose of government, and we'll start jotting down ideas. Ideas or ideals about what it means to be an American. What does it mean to be an American? And you're going to jot down notes. Then we will discuss it. As we're discussing it, I expect you to write down more information. And then when you get on the computer, what are you going to do with this? You're going to start fine-tuning it, putting it in a document in standards and questions. Oh, by the way, in answering this and talking about this, I'd like you to mark that this goes with History 2F.
Am I supposed to do that?
Just talking about this will help us answer that question. And that's going to be your test question. Your objective will be basically your test question. So I'm telling you how to find the answers of this as we go through. All right, go ahead, stop.